Today we know about how to generate portable electricity by swing motor. Connect the neutral and phase wires of the swing motor to the AC COM and VCC points of the multimeter. As you see, it is showing around 400 volts. I try to operate the 5mm 4-volt LED by swing motor. As you can see, this LED working properly. Let's go test the wall light. This wall light are also working well. Let's test water overflow alarm. It's not working properly. It's time to attach bulb holder to the swing motor. As you can see, lights will glowing perfectly.
Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates.